Do you want to introduce it now?
Welcome to the Urban Exploring Adventure Show.
Oh, that was good.
Not bad start, was it? This is how you do it, you gotta go raw dog. That guy was staring.
Oh, this is well secured, isn't it?
Cheers.
Oh!
Can't be arsed walking, so I'm gonna do a bit of rolling.
Yeah, you do go straight on.
I can't even get it going straight out. I'm not.
Yeah, you have got a right run.
Fucking get it going then, clown. You started it, you might as well do a proper job instead of fucking messing about.
Half a job, Al.
You gotta at least get into that puddle. It just goes that way. Oh, it's blank.
Its camber's off.
Yeah, it is. It's actually a really nice day. I'm not used to this.
Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it?
I'm not used to this shit.
It's a beautiful day.
It just makes me feel like I don't deserve nice weather.
You don't. This place is going to be massive, isn't it?
Is it fucking?
No. The size of it, there's fuck all here.
Just do it with drone. And
no here.
Can we do the first ever drone explore of this place? Because I think that's what people really like.
Oh, these.
I just want to reach out to anyone that's taking his hands and offer my support.
Well, this is a great big empty bloody room. I'm fit, I'm flirty, and I've got double Fs.
Listen, I don't kiss anyone without a sit. I'm 30, flirty, dirty, and if it comes to it, I'm not afraid to get shirty. Well, this place is whack. Wherever you say it, it's what it is.
Is that a tank?
Is what a tank? I don't know, let's go find
No, it
out.
looks more like a bin.
I think it is just a big skip.
If you put a skip on top of a skip, and then put tracks underneath it, that's a tank.
All your cars are skip.
I don't think it is a tank though. I think it's a tipped over bin. We could pretend it's a skip.
Tank.
I mean a tank.
It's a skip.
Oh, it's a tank. It's a new type of tank.
What?
I want to just catch you doing it.
I won't do it. We know that. You are absolutely. You didn't even manage one. What are you doing? Go on then. I feel pissed up. I can't fucking do this. Can I just go back in van?
No, look at that. Look big.
Oh look, they've got a big one over there as well.
Oh, yeah.
We might be alright here, boys.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
It's called a telephone pole.
It's a sign of Bigfoot.
Was that his
Spear.
toothpick?
Oh, they're interesting.
Oh, that good.
Shit.
That's actually a police helicopter.
That is actually a police helicopter.
That's actually a
Oh fuck.
It's got to be, hasn't it? 'Cause it's going into prison airspace.
It's a prison, not an airport.
Yeah, but you can't fly over prisons. Maybe it thinks we're Russian spies. Have you seen that shit that's going on with them fucking people that have been poisoned?
Yeah, I'm surprised you have, Al.
Sometimes the radio's on at work.
Oh, whoa.
Found a child on a bike.
You've had a child on a bike?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Maybe we're tripping.
Are you tripping?
A little bit.
Because the helicopter is...
It's not coming for us.
Oh,
Yeah.
you said that last time a helicopter came for us.
Yeah, and then we ended up with armed police.
When?
Oh, no, I'm thinking
before
about
your
the time. Well, I want to know where he is. Jesus Christ! He's right there. He's hovering above us. No! He's black, he's not police.
I wonder what that kid's going on. I wanted to say hello.
Are you sure you weren't seeing things?
There was a kid on a bike, and as soon as he saw me, he turned around with his bike and he fucked off.
Maybe
You saw how big my muscles were.
Maybe it was a ghost.
You saw how big my muscles were.
No, I think
and
it's
he
because
fucked
you've got a pedo's face.
off. I did do that. I did do that at him. I went.
Why would you come? Why would you come here on your bike? You're just gonna bust your tyres. That's a motorbike. Scared the bloody shit out of me.
That wasn't the kid on my bike.
Was that the kid on the bike? What is going on? What is going on? Hey up.
Can we go watch them?
That's fucking it.
Please, Dad.
Oh look.
Oh look, ramps.
Ramps.
Here, boy, ramps.
Do a ramp. Do a wheelie.
That's
Secure as fuck.
sturdy.
Yeah, because look, it's into the concrete.
Yeah, there's ramp. Oh yeah, and then there's just.
Yeah, you're right. You can get over that. This is just the weirdest day.
Kids on bikes.
You know, swear to God, you've seen shit out. Oh, you were right then.
Pulled my face.
Oh, look at the big shithole. Bloody hell.
Bless you, Mark.
Thank you, Alex. Forgot your name then. There doesn't seem to be any like remnants of what it was at all.
I'm sick of working here. I'm sick of working next to a prison. I'm sick of fucking motorbikes. I'm sick of helicopters. Let's just fucking go.
You're not happy today, are you not?
No, I'm not. I think we've got a broken jaw. I think
You've
his
got a
batteries
broken
have
arm.
gone out. Have you got his batteries in your bag?
He takes them really thick ones, you know, that go up the arse.
Oh, they're horrible.
They're really thick ones because like small ones won't
Have
fit.
we not got his charger?
No.
I know, but we can't get the flags on.
Oh look.
What? Should we get on a roof we can check? Do you know a guy that sells red dot? This is where the actual function of a hat comes in handy.
Nah.
Are you trying to land it on the wall? Oh!
That was close. That was a bonged landing if I've ever seen it.
That drone's shit.
It is, isn't it?
You're a pest.
You're a peasant. Get a wash.
Oh, loads of girls have been texting me saying you're a sex pest. Have you not done an outro?
This has been.
You fucking piece of shit.
What is this? Military.
What is this? It's a fucking cock up, is what it is. For a military base just outside of Moscow.
It was an ammo storage place. They stored ammo here. We're getting the fuck out of here. Right, let's go. See you later, guys. Don't forget, this video has probably been unmonetized. So if you want to support us, demonetized. If you want to support us, uptheho.com, and we'll keep the videos rolling your way. Goodbye.